represent just the way the young man represented Ashanti Regional Minister. I'm here to represent.
Hey, Glenn, laugh. Glenn, laugh. Bestie.
Youth is not NYF. If you are 70 and born, you are still a youth. Today, I was sitting there, hey, you are lying. Sitting is like this.
Bestie.
The first time I met I saw the youth CEO speaker. And I asked, this is the youth. Then I went back to my country to look around. See you, CEO. Only is that like answer. Our own CEO is 71. Many thousand people, 71. But guys, I'm just here to encourage you that this is a man. You are looking for the best country to go to. We have the best president ever. A youth president, a man that has vision, a man that understands the value of the people, a man that loves his people, a man that can do anything for his people to happen, a man that understands what it takes to build a country. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you now His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I want to say thank you to the good people of Ghana. Few times ago, every time I visit Ghana and I go back, I always hear the story of people saying things online. And when you travel to foreign countries, it is very funny how you go to America, you stand at the bridge side, take a picture, and post it to pride. But when we come to other African countries, I feel enough is enough for we go to America to use America to compare Ghana or to use America to compare Nigeria or Togo. My job is I will use Ghana to compare Nigeria until Nigeria learn from Ghana because I love the it is very funny how one of the days I was shooting my contest and I heard something that blew my mind. That the president put on his skin that young people can just get up. You don't have to be anyone. All you need to do is just to write the one pages, fill the form. Paper is free, pen is free. All you need to do is just to carry yourself every morning, go to work. After that, every month, government will still give you money for doing nothing. No, because the work that you are doing, I will better yourself. And I was like, in this country, I said this. I visited other places and I saw this thing. And I was like, if there can be a skill like this in Africa, first of all, let's be frank. Most of the Nigerian girls that are coming together to do hook, they will not be in Ghana, they will be learning work. Most of the young boys doing fraud, they will not be doing fraud, they will be somewhere learning work. So me, I don't know about it. I am proud of Honorable Usman Yaya for the work that God is doing. And I'm also proud of His Excellency Dr. Mahama for unveiling himself. Because the same president did for Ghana, the same president to Rubio. The same president. South Africans told us to. If you are South African, you are using what to judge you. South Africans told us to go there. And we didn't have any, I feel that we don't fear. I feel the problem of Nigeria is Ghana. I will tell you, let's be frank. South Africa told all of us to go back. They have not said anything. Ghanaians, Honorable Samuel Obekun he has rushed, used like to go and carry people. Yeah. Rushed, carry people. Then the president has said the life of Ghanaians matter to him more than anything. And that made me video. Tinubu na saw the video. Tinubu na reply. Tinubu na said, when the people were going to South Africa, they didn't we said no. When they were saying that, was he aware? We said no. Now, how did they go? Now that they book flights and they apply for visa, they should book flights and come back. And when, after we ranted, I made several videos saying what the president of Ghana had done. Finally, our president made our cry. And brought back our people. Now, when Ghanaians brought the people, I was at the airport. They gave the Ghana for food, items, and so. And the cash price, I was there. Health screening was passed. So we are not doing that. So we are saying that people will do. So the Nigerian they were bringing, they were not telling the powers. We are coming back to we will see money. He said, yes, land. So he said, when land will come, then the foreign affairs minister and people will see you. They will not tell you that, oh, you go to the head street after that, there's central for everybody, but I think we see and cash. So Nigeria has land. Then I said, we are waiting for ministers to come. So ministers are coming. So you are welcome. You run. You run Lagos. But God said you come back. In your mind, you want to leave us over